Have you ever heard a door creak late at night? Late at night, you hear a door creaking open. You look around, but everyone is asleep. A chill runs down your spine. You creep closer to the sound. The air feels heavy, like something is watching. The door leads to a room you never noticed. As you push it, a cold wind blows out the lights. Heart racing, you peek inside. It's dark, but you can see shadows moving. A whisper calls your name softly, sending shivers through your body. You want to run, but your feet are frozen. Suddenly, the whisper laughs, and you feel something brush past you. What was in that room?